Alright, today we'll be learning how to select a particular area in a picture and put a text behind it. What we will try to achieve here is to write mountain behind this fine young man standing here. So let's duplicate our layer. See that we do like this, or we do Ctrl J for those using Windows, Command J for those using Mac. So let's come here, object selection tool. So we select around this guy. This is the place we want to hide the text. So the picture is selected, so let's mark it. So we mark it so that we can put something behind it. Let's pick our text tool. Okay, let's type mountain. Okay, and let's increase the size, and let's bring it here. So now it's in front of the picture, so let's drag the layer down here. Then we have our mountain at the back of the guy. So follow us, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that anytime we post new video, it will be notified to you that we have posted new video.